All right, we're back here because the deals have been pretty crazy. If you guys don't know the address, make sure you guys check the description. Let's start with the smaller men's sizes. Size 8 Vaporfly Next Percent or Alphafly Next Percent. That's been my goal. That's kind of why I've been coming a little more often lately. Not really seeing them. Today, Infinity Run 4s go for 80. Metcon 8s down to 50. Got some of the 9s right here down to 70. Multiple colorways if you're into lifting. GT Jumps going for 80. And they got Jordan 1s right here. What these going for? 150. Damn, I think that's more expensive than the regular outlets if they go on the back wall. Vapor Max right here. They're going for 100. Got Airmore Up Tempos right here going for 80. Jordan 12 Low Golf. $100, dude. $100. Damn, that's dope. Then Jordan 37 Lows go for 80. Wow. All right, I was here less than a week ago, so I'm trying to show you guys stuff that haven't seen too much of. The Penny 2 Social Status go for $100. These are size 9s. Panda Mids. I'm curious to see what these will go for. $100. $100. I feel like I've seen that cheaper at the retail shops. Just talking to one of the homies, like prices are crazy up and down. These Pegasus 40s right here, Nike by You. These have always been a good deal. Yeah, $80, so 50% off. I got my kid a pair of these, and like they're hella clean, you know. And he said they got dirty hella quick, but I got it for like $25, something like that. But yeah, now he just wants to wear the Dunks now because he is getting into high school, and I think some of the other kids have noticed when he wears the Dunks. So. Dang it. So I guess I'm gonna have to get him some Dunk SBs. These Dunk SBs do last a way longer time though. The nubuck material, or if they use suede, it is a more durable material. Finding Dunk SBs in a size 9.5, not the easiest thing here. So we'll have to see. We'll see. Might have to get him a few for retail. But I do got these GT Hustle 2s, 9.5 go for 80. Did I show these earlier? No, $50 for the Cortez. Air Force One Mids. What these going for? $60. That's actually a really good deal. Other Air Force Ones right here. $70 for those. Jordan 1 Low Fly E's. $110 for those. Jordan 1 Low Comforts right here. $120 for those. That's not too bad. Jordan 2s. $140. All right, no luck in the size 8 or 9.5. That's kind of the two sizes I'm looking up stuff for. But yeah, do got some SC slides right here. These are the off-court slides, $20 for those. Got SC right here, some of the smaller sizes, and then also got UCLA right here. UCLA got some bigger sizes right here. Got some Jordan slides right here. They're selling them for $40. I don't think these are any of the really dope slides. But you got these bad boys. These are down to 40. Also got a few of the mules right here that people aren't really looking for, but hey, just in case that's your thing, I'll show you guys. Certain Tech Fleece, $30 for Tech Fleece pants. If you guys are into red, $30 freaking dollars. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen those. Got other sweats here for $30 if you're a fan of Michigan State or something. But yeah, $30 for these hella bright pants as well. Sweats right here, or sweatshirts, $25. What the heck? If you don't mind buying stuff off season, you can buy stuff and save it for later. Most of us aren't getting too big, right? These are extra small. Maybe it's a sizing. Yeah, these are all smalls. Dang it. All smalls? Are they all smalls? Dang it. Small and extra small. Dang it. So we go from small all the way to extra large and tall. Holy cow. Yeah, because these are dope. They're super thick, man. Damn. All right, let's go back to sneakers, size 10s. Trying to focus on stuff that I haven't seen. So we were just here a week ago, like I said. Jetman Team 2s down to 80. Jordan 2s right here, 120. Look at this. Ice shods right here. Is that because it's damaged? Ice shots right here, 25 bucks. 25 bucks, that's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen those. Holy cow. Zion 3s, they're down to $70. That's a hell of a price for those. Another one of the ice shots. I guess they're all, I don't know, did they get a few irregulars that are kind of jacked up or something? But yeah, 25. This colorway is going for 50. Airspan's also going for 50. That's too much. The Nike Attacks. Even the Travis Scott one looked so mediocre. The Mac Attacks go for 110. Yeah, I think those were irregulars or something. Cause yeah, 10.5. These will go for 50. Witness 8 in a colorway I've never seen before. These are definitely interesting. Okay, a lot of pastel colors. $50 for those. Delta 3 lows down to $30, cheapest we've ever seen those. Air Max 90 Golf, we showed these last week, but such a good deal that I'll show it again. $60 for those. Moving over to the women's bigger sizes. Size 12, which is what, a size 10.5? So same size I was at. Jordan 2s go for 70. Do got the aluminum foils right here, 100 bucks. 100 bucks, I feel like these just came out. Holy cow. Holy cow. Any of these really cheap, but that colorway sucks. So $80. Got more Jordan ones right here. These are down to 80 bucks. These are size 10. Jordan 1 hype has definitely died down. Holy cow. Holy cow, that's insane. That is insane. And I also saw these last week and gotta show them again because these are $35. Infinity Run 4s for 35 bucks. Holy cow, that is crazy. That's crazy cheap. Got Jordans right here as well. Look at these 2 trays, 35 bucks. 35 bucks for Jordan 2 trays. Slightly better colorway right here. Oh, I actually looked at this for my kid and these were too big last week. $40. 40 bucks for Infinity Run 4s. Jordan 1 lows right here, and then weird colorway. Size 9 men's, 90 bucks right there. These are going for, these are also size 9 right here. Jordan 1 highs go for 130. Women's Air Force 1 right here. These look like a man's, dude. Women's Air Force 1 Next Nature, 90 bucks. Okay. Jordan Stadium 90s, $35. Did I show this one in there? Holy crap, that's cheap. Saw these socks at Ross. I'm curious to see what they are going for here. $15. I'm gonna have to put in how much we saw them at Ross. That alarm's still going off. Holy crap. I'm curious to see how much these are. See if it's cheaper than the Nike outlet. 24 down to 17. Because I can't even remember how much I saw them for. 15 bucks for the white ones as well. Checking out random stuff for you guys. Do have gloves right here for golfing. Damn, 24 down to 10 bucks. Not bad. They actually have sizes too. Small, medium, large. Okay. Do got a little tech fleece section. They're trying to get rid of all the winter stuff. $80. Got small and large. Also got XL, that type of stuff. And then also got this color as well for the tech fleece. $50 for those. $80 for those right there. And then the trench coat, pea coat looking things, $40? This is down to 40 bucks. Are you serious? This color though, this color is just like, oh my goodness, get it dirty so quick. But $40 for this? Holy cow. If they had any other colorway at this price, I'd probably get it white. Man, that'll get dirty after one lunch or one dinner. That will get destroyed. So yeah, they got some decent stuff. Got decent stuff. Do got football cleats if that's what you play. Size 11, $30 for those. These are like normally like 120 bucks. Do got these right here, Jordan 37s in a colorway I've never seen, 100 bucks. These the Noctas right here. Yeah, do got the Noctas. These are 150. I'm so not a fan of these. I have seen these, well, not this color, but I've seen plenty of Noctas and I've passed on every one of them. 150 for those. Center courts, $60. Got some Dunks right here down to 100. Nike Bayous right here. Some Hirachis going for 80. And then the size 12. Now they put these up to 110. Weren't these down to like 60 last week? What the hell? Prestos. These are size 12, right? Did I mention I was in the size 12? We do got these. These are the Billie Eilish. 110 for those. We saw the tan ones last week. Now we got the white ones here. Okay. Moving up to size 13. Someone wearing way too much cologne. I can smell them from like 3 aisles away. Like, dude, I'm about to pass out. I was about to pass out earlier when I passed out full. I was like, God dang, dude. I do got the Jordan System 23s. Like, you could take this booty thing out and stuff and just wear it raw dog, going for 50. Got LeBron size 13s going for 100. Pegasus is 40 down to 60. That's a pretty good price. Budget cleats, 15 bucks. Some sandals De Jesus right here, going for 35. Do got Jordan 4s right here, size 6 teens, 170 for those, and got a couple of them. Size 16 though. Remember how popular these were when they first came out? $90 for those size 15s, 35 for these 15s. These weird looking slides, 15 bucks for those. I got the Forces right here, $45 size 17s. Right next door got one of these. I've been addicted to these stores. And then of course more of these McCollum jerseys. And what these going for? What they going for? $40 is a large. But that's it though, man. I've rummaged through all this mess right here. All right, moving over to the sneakers. And remember, we are at the Puma outlet. I'm seeing a ton of these Mellow 2s going for 50. Got a couple of the Nike boots right here. These are the nice ones, the ACGs. And these are going for $65. Got a suede one. Then got the blue one. The homie Oscar was able to find the blue ones he's been looking for at Ross. 65 for those. These, let me go for like 100 or something, right? Got some Roshi Golfs right here going for $35. Got the Immortalities going for 50. Got some Yankees off-court slides, $22. Damn, they raising the prices like crazy.